All right, guys, this video is saying goodbye to an old friend, and that old friend is this steel 28-foot, I believe it's 28, might be 24, swimming pool. Let me tell you about this pool real quick. I'm 37 years old. I had my 12th birthday party in this pool. It's partially in the ground, as you can see. The hole is dug. The deck's really worth more than the pool. And we bought this pool back in probably 97, 98-ish for $250 used. Okay, we had to go take it down ourselves. I was just a kid then. For the most part, it's still together. It's on its 5th liner. The problem is the walls have rusted so bad now in a few spots that they are poking holes in the liner. So it's kind of a lost effort. Now, this is the worst part right here. This is where they usually fail first from what I've seen. You can see the water drips down through this return and it just rusts the wall. And you can see that. I've patched it with some vinyl for years. And it got to the point where we would just throw in the return over the top and, you know, it worked fine. But, you know, 250 bucks. We've had this pool for almost 30 years. I think we got our money's worth. So gonna start tearing this down tomorrow, and we're replacing it with another pool of the exact same size from Amazon. It was like $2,000 or $2,100. And yeah, the only issue I know that we're gonna run into is this pool was here before the deck was built. So the deck was built over top of the pool, especially over on that side. The wood is almost to here. So probably to put the new one up, we're gonna have to cut this deck back a little bit. So that'll be interesting. Also, over years, the deck had sank a little bit and was putting pressure on the wall of the pool. And it was impossible to get into the deck where we needed everywhere to raise it. So while this pool's out, we'll raise the deck while we're in there. So a little bit more to drain out of this, and then I'm gonna just take the old knife and put a couple holes in it and let it finish draining. And yeah, we're gonna swap this out. It's all sand bottom, so this will give us a good chance to rake it smooth again. And new pool's already delivered and be good to go. Formal goodbye to an old pool. Tons of memories made in this thing.